Alexa, fart for me.
That was a long and squeaky one. Would you like me to do a fart?
Yes.
That was a trumpet one. Try asking me for a lovely fart. Or say random.
Lovely fart.
Here comes a lovely fart. Shall I fart again?
Yes.
That was a guilty one. Try asking me for a smelly fart. Or say random.
Smelly fart.
Here comes a smelly fart. Try asking me for a gassy fart. Or say random.
Gassy.
Here comes a gassy fart. Ask me for a Christmas fart. Or just say random.
Christmas fart.
Santa, give them a Christmas fart.
Listen to this frosty Christmas fart.
Get more Christmas farts from Santa with the Christmas Farts extension pack. Do you want to learn more?
No.
Okay, just say random to keep the toots coming.